babe Wodumo's close friends expose her recklessness on pregnancy. News of the couple's pregnancy was a well-kept secret until the 27-year-old Wololo hitmaker arrived at her birthday celebration at Eyadini Lounge in Umlazi, Durban, wearing a tight beige dress that exposed her baby bump. We were told to keep it shut until they come out with it. A source in the couple's circle said the expectant mother was believed to be close to 6 months pregnant and that the gender of the baby had not yet been revealed. We were told to keep it shut until they come out with it. Even though we were strictly directed not to, pictures were taken at her birthday party and made online. They still don't want to talk about it until they are ready, the source said. The couple announced that they were officially married in December after the West Inc. Records boss paid lobola. Their wedding celebrations remained sealed and were billed for a Showmax exclusive that was supposed to be aired last month. Meanwhile, concerned friends have said the pregnant babe has been reckless and overworking herself. She has a late-night gig in Durban on Friday and she will be there with her entourage, dancing, singing, and partying away. We are concerned that she is not cautious enough at this stage of her pregnancy, quote, a friend said. In a video taken at her birthday celebrations, the talented dancer can be seen drinking what looks to be sparkling wine from the bottle to cheers from friends. In a separate video, she was spotted smoking a hookah. Neither Shona nor babe Wodumo was available for comment, and their manager, Umlazi, did not answer her phone.